Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out your W-4 as a single filer. This essential form tells your employer how much federal income tax to withhold from your paychecks. Filling it out correctly helps ensure you don't owe a large sum at tax time or receive an unnecessarily large refund. We'll go through each step, focusing on the details relevant for individuals filing as single. Let's get started with the first two steps. For step 1, simply provide your personal information and select your filing status. As a single filer, you will check the box for single or married filing separately. Moving to step 2, this section is primarily for individuals who hold more than one job simultaneously or are married and filing jointly with a working spouse. If you are a single individual with just one job, you can confidently leave this entire section blank. Step 3 addresses claiming dependents. Many single filers may not have dependents, so this section might be left blank. However, if you do have qualifying children or other dependents, you would enter the total credit amount here. Step 4 is where you can make other adjustments. This includes adding extra withholding per pay period, claiming other income, or itemizing deductions. For example, you might add $25 extra per paycheck. Finally, we reach step 5. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you've entered on your Form W-4 to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, sign and date the form to make it legally binding. Then, submit the completed document to your employer's payroll department. It's always a good practice to keep a copy of your signed W-4 for your personal records, just in case you need it later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.